Good evening, crew. Got something very necessary for the welding rig this evening. Let's get to it. As I mentioned, it's something very necessary for the welding rig, so I'm diving right in, opening it up. Got the plates. Better be two of them here. Should be. There it is. So got both plates for the welding rig. Something good to memorize. Hopefully it don't wander off. 16873 Charlie 4. All right. So mostly numbers. One letter. Take that. And for those of y'all that might say privacy reasons, not having plates in the videos, for personal vehicles, I don't really like anything showing, but with the welding rig, everything's going to be showing on the channel, from the company name, phone number, email address, everything's going to be on there. So just looking at it again before getting ready to do some other stuff for the evening. But 1687 3 Charlie 4. Very happy to have these plates, and both are ready to put on the truck. I'm just excited to get these on so that I can get the paper ones off. So again, be doing that tomorrow. Be keeping y'all updated on other things going on. There's been a lot going on, so I haven't been able to do as many vlogs or as long duration vlogs as I've been wanting to. Just so much stuff going on, but I will keep y'all informed of what's going on and keep showing you all the different parts of the process of building the welding rig. Hope y'all enjoy, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.